Y'all, I love this little filter, but happy St. Patrick's Day, y'all. Let's cook us up a corned beef with some cabbage and potatoes. Let's get it. Oh, I need some corned beef. I don't think they have any corned beef in here. Oh, my goodness. I don't see no corned beef. Oh, this is bad, y'all. Yep. No corned beef. I'm shocked. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Perfect. Alrighty. Thank you so much.
I don't know if this is the one you wanted or
no, I'm going to have to pick it.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, I'm holding it.
Nope, you're okay. Thank you so much. All right, y'all. They got them in the individual baskets. Let's find us one real quick. So we like them big. This is the biggest one they have, which is 4 pounds and 4.4 pounds. And it's $23.29. Let's get her cooked. I think we're going to be using a crock pot today, y'all. I always add some black pepper and garlic powder at the bottom of the crock pot. Don't add any water or broth or anything like that, y'all. Nothing. It's real hard with my nails. It's hard to do. Okay. Hold on, let me grab my little pack out of there. Okay. Ooh. So we just using this packet right here, y'all. Throw them in there. All right, now go down to the pot and just get this here. Ooh, this gonna be so good, y'all. Let me add a little crushed pepper. Add some red pepper seeds. It's gonna be so good. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. And we haven't even started cooking yet. All right. Y'all, I went to get a watermelon. These prices are out of order. $8.77, y'all. These watermelons are small. Like, I don't know what's going on with the produce, but listen, this ain't it. Y'all, I do love these cucumbers though. If I never told y'all, I love getting these pre-cut cucumbers. Baby girl, it's a win for me. So fresh and delicious. We need to get some bread because I think I'm going to have a corned beef sandwich as well.
Okay, so
Walmart.
There's a whole other stuff over there as well. Sorry, man.
Oh, you fine. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
One thing I can't understand, every time you go into these stores, they are millionaires. They always asking us to donate some money, y'all. I'm just trying to check out and pay for my groceries. They want me to donate some money, baby. I'm broke. Can y'all help me out? Like, for real. I give to a lot of people. But I don't want to see that every time I get ready to make a purchase. Like, come on, y'all. Y'all got more than enough money where y'all could donate to them and give me some. I'm just saying, y'all, let's get home and make sure we can get this food all put together. I'm on my way to the house now. the food should be done, and I'm gonna sit down and eat, y'all. Let's get it. My crock pot isn't big enough for the cabbage as well, y'all, but it's in, cut up. I added more seasoning. I'm gonna show you exactly what the corned beef and potatoes look like, y'all. I've been eating on it already. All right, y'all, here we go. Look at this. Oh my God, y'all. When I say tender, when I say falling apart, y'all, look at this. Always let your corned beef rest before you eat it, y'all. Look at this, so juicy. But yes, I'm waiting on the cabbage to get done. These potatoes are so seasoned, perfectly seasoned, y'all. Everything just came together, and I'm gonna wait for the cabbage to get done. It may take 2 hours. But yep, that's the final look of the corned beef and potatoes. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Let me know if you're having some corned beef and cabbage for St. Patrick's Day. I love y'all. I'll see y'all on the next video. Yes, honey. Year after year. Y'all already know what it is. Yo, girl is going to have her some corned beef and cabbage for St. Patrick's Day, y'all. And I know it just ain't me. It ain't just me. Y'all come back and watch my corned beef videos time after time after time. And I appreciate y'all for that. So today I did cook me a corned beef in the crock pot, y'all. I let this thing cook. I went to the boutique. I did everything I needed to do. That's one thing about using the crock pot. You do not have to watch the food, baby. It's gonna cook itself. Just make sure you got your seasonings on point and know when and where and what time to put your food in. And as y'all see, I didn't put my cabbage in there on top of my meat and my potatoes because the cabbage would have been so mushy and it would have messed up my meal. So I never cook them together, but I do use the broth from the corned beef and potatoes to cook the cabbage so that all of that flavor can just, marinate, do what they do, I don't know what they call it, but listen, that's exactly what it did, y'all. It was so delicious. I even brought me a loaf of bread so that I can have me a corned beef sandwich in the morning. I thank y'all for watching. Y'all continue to be blessed.